The rib knitting stitch is a very easy and functional stitch. This variation is different because it has the purl stitches that break up the columns. The pattern comprises 8 rows and it's a very simple knit and purl. Cast on in multiples of 6 stitches and that will give you each rib with 2 extra stitches. I hope you enjoy it. Row number 1, purl 2 stitches, purl 1, purl 2, and now we start the pattern. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4 stitches and purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 1. And now you repeat. Row number 2, start with knit 2 stitches, knit 1, knit 2, yarn to the front. We start our pattern with 4 purl stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn to the back, and we knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 2. And now you repeat. Row number 3, start with 2 purl stitches, purl 1, purl 2, and now we start our pattern. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, 4, yarn to the front and purl 2, 1, 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 3. And now you repeat. Row number 4, start with 2 knit stitches, knit 1, knit 2, and now you start the pattern. Purl 4 stitches, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, yarn to the back and knit 2, 1, knit 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 4. And now you repeat. Row number 5, start with 2 purl stitches, 1, purl 2, yarn to the back, and we start our pattern. You can actually follow what you were doing from the previous row. So this is 4 knit stitches, 2, 3, 4, yarn to the front and 2 purl stitches, purl 1, purl 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 5. And now you repeat. Row number 6, start with 2 knit stitches, knit 1, knit 2, and now we start our pattern. Purl 4, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, 4, yarn to the back, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, and that completes the pattern for row number 6. And now you repeat. Row number 7 differs slightly because now we're going to break up this pattern. We start with 2 knit stitches, knit 1, knit 2, and now we start the pattern. Yarn to the front and we purl 4, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, 4, and we knit 2. And that completes the pattern for row number 7. And now you repeat. Row number 8, start with 2 purl stitches, purl 1, purl 2. Now we start the pattern. Knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, 3, 4, yarn to the front and we purl 2, purl 1, purl 2. And that completes the pattern for row number 8.